Ever thought about transforming your love for cars into a lucrative gig? Meet the mobile car wash business. First, earn a sensational $1,500 per week. Yes, that's in your downtime. Imagine turning those lazy Sundays into a profit powerhouse. Next, no need for a fancy setup or prior experience. Just a smartphone and enthusiasm will kickstart your journey. Lastly, there's the freedom. Work when convenient. Spend more time doing what matters and less in a 9-to-5 grind. With this venture, the path to financial independence is a wash away. Give it a try and start shaping your own success story today.